What's up, all my Mewdii people? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we are going to be doing a review of this beauty right here. All right, this is Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation. Y'all know how much I love the liquid foundation, both the matte and the hydrating. So we're going to see how this works. So if you want to see how it applies, my thoughts, my opinions, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and just open this bad boy up. This is medium to full coverage for all, light as air, flawless filter effect. Okay. I'm interested to see how this works. I'm just gonna open her up. Nice packaging as always. And it comes in like the same type of thing that the kilowatts come in. This is what this comes in. Tells you your shade on the back. Open it. Oh, I didn't even have to buy a sponge. See, comes with a sponge and a mirror, and then foundation on top. All right, cool. So let's just jump right in. Let's just see. Oh, I'm nervous. I don't not use powder foundation, but I use it to set more so than I use it to actually put it on my face. So gonna take some and just. That's gonna be annoying. All right, hold on. Okay, let me actually put this down and use a mirror so I don't mess up. Of course, we're gonna prime with my Fenty primer. Take a couple squirts. I think I didn't push down like heavy on this. Okay, hit my forehead. Okay, cool. Now let's do this for real. Okay. Ooh, blend that in, Morgan. Ugh. That's better. Okay, I'm just gonna do it in a circle. Oh. This is definitely buildable. See that? I know I can see between here and here the difference. I like. Still, you know, a learning experience for me, but so far, it definitely doesn't feel heavy like it said. It's blending out nicely. Oh, so the difference between this side and that side, it is. Okay, Fenty. Yeah, I know I love Fenty anyway, so. Of course I'm gonna stand. Now let's get some more and do the other side. I don't know if I'm gonna use this like as actual foundation. Like I said, I typically use liquid and then I use powder to set, but this might just, you know, convert me over. I don't know. I'm just gonna see how it goes. Oh yeah, my base is looking really nice. Always make sure you get your chin and your neck, ladies, if you don't do nothing else. When you do your foundation, get your chin and your neck. And that hairline too. Okay. So far, I am really liking this. Just gotta make sure that it's even all over. I gotta do my forehead, but I don't know if I'm gonna show y'all doing my forehead because I don't want to expose my lace. But yeah, this could definitely be, maybe if I'm not looking like for too heavy of a foundation and I just want to, you know, do a light glam, but nothing, you know, too heavy. Now, I will say this, looking in this mirror, I don't know why I didn't just use this mirror to begin with. Looking in this mirror, I still see my pores. Like, yeah, my pores are still kind of coming through, so I don't know if this is made to blur them like other foundations are, but yeah, they're still coming through. But we'll give the final judge of that once I do the rest of my face routine. The rest of my face routine really is Fenty. Like my, y'all cannot see my lace. I refuse to let y'all clock me. So, so yeah, my setting powder is Fenty. The one that I use under my eyes, like my highlighter points, that's Fenty. My contour, bronzer, whatever you want to call it, that's Fenty. My setting spray is Fenty. I'm just a Fenty fan, okay? Call me a Fenty fan. But this is looking really nice. I want to blend this into my hairline. I'm not as, you know, worried about doing my hairline because, as you can see, I have bangs. But I still want to get the full experience. She's not looking half bad. Again, I'm still not a fan of my pores coming through the way that they are, but like I said, hopefully when I do the rest of my routine, that'll help blur some of this out. So I'm getting ready to set this down, do the typical, you know, I don't know if I'm gonna highlight. I might just set my under eye and contour it and set all over, and then I will be back to talk to you all some more. Okay. All right, so I have finished my face, aside from my lips. Stay tuned for the next video to see what I do with my lips. Little plug right there. But anyway, I finished my face and I really like how this turned out. I noticed that once I took the setting powder and used that helped to kind of blur out my pores and everything that I was seeing come through the foundation. But all in all, I really like it. I think that I'm actually going to use this to set my face instead of my Old Faithful. If you all have been with me for a while, you know that I usually use this to set my face all over. This is MAC. This is their Mineralized Skin Finish Powder Foundation. So this is what I would use after I finish everything. I would use this to kind of blur everything together. I think that I'm actually going to switch to this once I do my liquid foundation, or if I ever want a day where I don't want my foundation to be too hyped, because this is buildable. If I don't want it to be, you know, like too much or too hyped up, I'm gonna go with this. So all in all, I really like it. My skin is looking low-key good, like low-key flawless. Okay, I'm enjoying it. Robin, Rihanna, Fenty, you have done it again. You know that I am a, you don't know, but one day you'll know that I'm a faithful customer. I stand for you, and this gets my rate of approval. So thank you all so much for tuning into my first, this is not my first review, but I guess in a sense it is, you know, my first wear test, first thoughts, first impressions. But you know, we just, you know, breaking into the industry, doing different types of videos. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Stay tuned for my next video where I review the Gloss Bomb creams. I have been waiting for these and they are finally here, and you're gonna get my first thoughts on them. Thank you guys. Bye.